Hello, hello. Today I'm hosting a hot pot party for Orlando Creator Influencer event. Over 30 influencers are coming.
Not all yet.
Not all yet. I get to try it before you go.
Not all yet.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you guys know.
You guys need help cooking? Not good?
So a little. Any of the Sichuan sauces that I've had doesn't have the buzz.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is perfectly balanced. And then we go. It's like a overcooked steak.
Don't eat raw meat.
I will not eat raw meat.
I experiment just with this chili sauce.
Yeah, isn't like Yao Ming was a basketball player? I think he was Korean. No?
Perfect because it's like just enough seasoning where it doesn't dry.
And I better get started, but first, making from scratch, I will need some pork bones. Oh, over 10 pounds. Because we have over 30 people, this is gonna be a lot of stock. I'm not adding water. Oh, the blood is dripping on the floor. This is a hot pot by using my cooking bomb chili sauce. If you want to do the easy version, buy the package from Asian market, but this flavor. Making your own stock, you can freeze them. Also, this hot pot base, you can put in a container, freeze them, and next time you defrost and add the stock. That's it. So save this hot pot recipe. First, I'm gonna make this pork bone soup. Boil the pork bones for 2 minutes, just to get rid of the fishy smell and bad taste. Clean the bones so the soup will be really white. We dump the first water, add more water, cook for another 3 to 4 hours with green onions and ginger. So I usually tie the green onions, like a little knot. We put in here and crush the ginger, then just put in. For traditional Sichuan hot pot, we use beef fat. Just a lot of beef fat here. So if you make a jar, save in the fridge, you can also use this for your beef noodle soup. We're going to cut them first in small pieces. So in Sichuan, we make a lot of pork fat for cooking, the beef fat for hot pot. And some beef noodle soup, we use this, just adds a lot of flavor. Now we make the beef tallow in the wok, hot wok. Hear that sizzle? A lot of fat. We stir fry in the wok for a couple minutes on high heat. Now we add some water. The water add in, we turn the heat down to medium-low, slowly render the fat out. This process probably about 15-20 minutes. So now just about 10 minutes, it's getting golden brown. This will be ready in a couple minutes. Ooh. Got so much beef tallow. So now you see all the beef fat rendered out. Drain the fat, you can save it in the container and in the fridge. This smells so good. You got some delicious little crunchy snack here. Still hot. Let's try one. I should serve this at a party. You know, sprinkle some salt and pepper. Better than chips. Here are all the dry ingredients for the hot pot. 二荆条, this pepper from Sichuan is a very special one, is medium heat. Compare this one I'm gonna use. Actually, they look nice on the floating on the hot pot, but they're just very spicy. Doesn't have the fragrance. This is the key. So we use both. Of course, Sichuan peppercorn adds a lot of numbing flavor. Dried ginger and star anise, bay leaves. All these three. Rock sugar, we start cutting them into small pieces. You can easily to get them from Asian market. This one is 二荆条, the longer one, and this one is small 小米椒. So you have to just look for the shape. 二荆条, 小米椒. I put dry ginger, star anise, everything in one bowl, and the bay leaves. So we add some vodka. In Chengdu, we use 白酒, similar to vodka, strong liquid. This will protect them from the oil heating and burning the dry spices. Also will activate the fragrance. Ooh. Add some vodka and Sichuan peppercorn. Got the flavor even stronger. Maybe they're getting drunk. Now we start chopping some ginger. Smash it before you chop them. So check the ingredients down in the description. That recipe is just for one pot. I'm going to chop some more garlic. Green onions. The beef tallow, kind of solidified, but not yet. Pour this in. Best way to test the oil temperature is your chopstick. If you see bubbles around a little chopstick, that means it's really hot already. Oh, bubbles here. Fry the ginger little by little. Otherwise, this oil gonna be overflow. Don't get burned. All right. Ooh, this step is important. Green onions, these are all the ingredients, get the fragrance. So we're gonna fry this onion, ginger until golden brown. Let's get this, take it out. Smells so good. Turn the heat back on, garlic. So now the spices and the pepper. With the high heat, we'll cook everything out. There'll be no alcohol left, so don't worry. If you're under 21, you can still eat this. So we slowly roast the peppers and spices. Smells so good everywhere in this room. If you like it super spicy, you can add the 小米椒, the small one, in now. But I add it later, because I don't think anyone can eat that spicy here. This is already a lot of pepper. I'm gonna add my favorite ingredient, Sichuan peppercorn, all in. This is Sichuan barbeque paste. It's another ingredients you need. Stir fry it for a couple of minutes. Next, cooking bomb chili sauce. So this focus on the Sichuan peppercorn flavor, but really have this numbingly delicious taste. And the hot pot base usually have this black fermented beans, all having here. Keep the heat down, as you don't want to burn the spices. This color and fragrance is getting really nice. I've been eating this since I was probably 3 or 4. My grandma made this mildly spicy when I was younger, so I thought this is a very good one to introduce to everyone. Even you never had a chili sauce, you can eat right out of the jar. And also this is vegan. Add rock sugar, keep roasting. Fermented rice, 1 spoon. Store the sauce in this container. Hear the sound. Sounds delicious. Precious hot pot base. Look at that. Wow. Before we set up the hot pot, I'm gonna check the soup, see if it's ready. It's been cooking about 4 hours. Oh, got this fabulous stock for the hot pot today. You probably never had this before, especially when you eat this in hot pot. The texture, the taste, oh, you have to have this. Today, I bring this to the party. I don't think anyone actually tried this before. Beef tripe, cow stomach. Cook in the proper temperature and time. Don't cook too long, otherwise it's too rubbery. I cut them into like a noodle shape. Maybe I will trick them, let them think this is like a noodles. So the texture is so squishy, like stress relief toy. Rub some stomach, release stress. Hello, hello? This one is for you. Now you see all the vegetables here. I have to prepare. So most of the work is wash and clean and chop. Also I've chopped some garlic too for dipping sauce and green onions and cilantro. Today I'm serving wosun. This is probably my favorite vegetable. And now you're able to get in the Asian market here. And lotus, for lotus, you have to peel the skin. Then we slice them. My favorite to eat hot pot is enoki mushrooms. Chop the bottom. They cook so quickly, 2-3 minutes. Oh, oyster mushrooms. Already soaking this woodier mushrooms. One of my favorites. And the shiitake mushrooms. So I'm gonna soak this as well. This is great for the soup base. When you first cook the non-spicy one, put those in first. Gonna get the flavor going. We will be serving noodles. Those are tofu. I have a different kind of tofu served today. And I also have a dried tofu skin. Different kind of dried tofu skin. I will soak them in the water and serve. So while I was getting ready those vegetables, this is just sitting in the fridge for a long time. Look at this. Ha! Already solidified. So next time you have a party, just cut a little cube, add your soup. Ooh. Smells so good. Party room is downstairs. Let's go set up the party. Smell this. So this is not mushroom. Anyone take a guess? Oh yeah, try it. So beef stomach. Today I didn't get chicken feet or duck tongue. This can for noodles, or you can put the meat in here so they won't flow away. So I will put this on the side here. Tutorial? Yeah, tutorial. Have you guys had it before? Any? Nobody, right? Nobody had hot pot. So cook the meat and mushroom first. Enjoy, guys. Need help cooking or good? Oh, good. Okay.
You like noodles?
Guys, you need help cooking? Okay.
So a little bit.
Okay. Cook really quickly, like
Okay.
30 seconds, a minute. Well, first time hot pot.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. You're gonna have to help me.
I help you make the sauce.
Yeah, so what do I have to do?
So first you put sesame oil,
Okay, like how much?
maybe 3 tablespoons. I like put more. Yeah.
Okay.
I can tell you.
I'm
I
scared.
measure with my Chinese eyeballs.
Okay, so like that's like...
More.
Okay, just tell me what. Okay, perfect. All right, now
You
what?
like garlic or
Sure,
cilantro?
yeah. No cilantro. I think I had that thing where I like...
Oh yeah, some
like,
people don't like, right?
I'm allergic to cilantro. Not actually,
Oh.
but like... We're gonna do about how much?
I like a 2 spoons of this. If you don't like that much,
Like,
oh yeah.
Like that much?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good. And then
Good. This is my chili sauce.
this is your chili sauce.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
chili sauce.
Is it not out yet?
Not all yet.
Oh
Not
my
all
God,
yet.
I get to try it before you
Yeah,
go.
not all yet.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you guys know.
Yeah, let me know. Yeah, so mine is not like super spicy.
Yeah, I love chili sauce.
You get the beans in there. Get more beans. Can mix it up.
More beans.
Yeah, there are beans in there,
Look at
like
that.
a fermented.
Oh my God, look at
You
all
see
that.
the beans? Yeah, get the
Oh,
beans.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then I'm good.
You're good? Okay, yeah.
Awesome.
So some people like a vinegar. You can add vinegar.
I like that. I like
Yeah.
that. A little bit of that.
Add some vinegar.
Like that?
Yeah, so you just made a perfect Chinese authentic sauce.
I'm so excited.
Where's your chopsticks?
Where are they? I don't know. I don't have them yet.
This vegetable is my favorite vegetable. I put oil in. It's called English called the saltus.
Okay.
It's kind of crunchy, and you can cook some in there. You can just take it out. It's ready.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go grab one.
yeah.
是甜的吗？还是怎么样的？
不是甜的，我还做泡菜呢，用这个炒的。我可能要换一下这个气罐，再试
OK，我试一下。
试一下。There's a lot of cracker here.
Yeah.
We should make some videos.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I like your branding. It's very clean.
You like it?
Yeah, I do. I think it looks really clean. I like it.
Yeah. Here just chili sauce in Chinese.
Is that what it says?
Yeah. Not my name.
How spicy? And
Mild for 3-year-olds. I can just eat this alone,
oh yeah, that's good.
right?
Yeah.
Not like a super spicy. People first time eating say, oh, it takes a while.
It
Right?
does.
Takes a while.
It does. It's a little build, but I love it because the food gives me kind of like my own little journey, and it ends with a crescendo. So right now my mouth is just full of flavor right now.
Oh,
Just
okay.
completely full of flavor. I love it.
Love it.
All these flavors combined is just fantastic.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good. Try this stomach. What do you think?
I've had tripe. I like tripe. Chewy.
Chewy? Oh, okay. Like a boba.
Yeah, like a boba. Like fatty jello.
Fatty jello. Oh,
Like-
I like that. Fatty jello.
Fatty jello, yeah, chewy.
Here. Then you have to do this. You didn't
I know.
See, you didn't see there. We're down there. Look at that. Oh, yeah.
And then if I do this, I'm like,
Like, see?
actually,
People
no,
that-
that's not bad. I'm in the
How tall are you?
6, like even.
You're the Asian people. We're short.
I'm the Korean.
You're
I think-
Asian.
I think Koreans are tall though, aren't they? Yeah, isn't like Yao Ming was a basketball player? I think he was Korean. No? Okay.
Chinese.
China, all right.
Yeah. You got the food.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good with noodles, huh?
Perfect. Any of the Sichuan sauces that I've had doesn't have the buzz.
Yeah.
It has the flavor, but not like
Not
the
the
buzz.
buzz, yeah.
And not even like that lemon, the citrus. I don't know what that is. That like the
Some people describe it citrusy.
yeah, like the
yeah.
citrusy taste to it. Most of them don't have that. And even some of the peppercorns that like I've
Oh
bought.
yeah, you know why?
They're dead, like they're old.
Dead, they're old. Like
Yeah.
the coffee beans. They're
Yeah,
just old.
yeah.
Yeah.
But these, like, I mean, this is like really, I love
Take
it.
more. Yeah.
I can't wait. Yeah, you nailed it.
I'm gonna see you guys a nice outfit making the sauce. Let me see. Oh, just oh yeah. Try. Try. Oh, just you can eat it just with your finger. Yes. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, that's good. I don't know. I don't know. They're salty, but perfectly balanced. It's spicy. You get a good pepper flavor. It's not too strong, but you get a nice heat around your mouth evenly. This is perfectly balanced, and it would go incredible with noodles, meat, and vegetables.
Broth that wasn't spicy. Amazing.
Did you try the beef stomach?
No,
Not that adventurous?
I'll try it. It seems very dense in micronutrients. I should give it a shot, shouldn't I? All right.
All right. Just tell me what it tastes like.
It's like maybe like a steak that's maybe too cooked.
Huh? Okay,
Overcooked
to
steak.
cook a steak. Okay.
Overcooked steak, yeah.
Okay, so it's my first time ever doing hot pot. I had Iram guide me through. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, add some sesame oil. More than my
More?
chili sauce. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna add more right now.
Let's get the sauce. Smells so good in here.
Green bomb chili sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And I think dumplings will be really good with this.
Everything good? I'm glad you like it.
Amazing.
You can hold in this ladle. Easier probably. That won't go away, right?
Right.
Yeah.
That's very good. Yeah.
I like. I make pickles with this too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I put in my pickle jar.
I love it.
Yeah. What's this?
Is that tripe?
Yes.
Yes. I've had it. It's not my favorite, but I'll definitely try it for sure.
Okay.
If you make it.
Hello. So this meat, you have to cook it first, then put in the sauce. Okay. Yeah. Don't eat raw meat.
I will not eat raw meat.
He's just watching me, and I don't know what I'm doing.
What do you think? Too spicy? Not too spicy?
No, it was actually perfect because it's like just enough seasoning where it doesn't drown out the taste of the food, but you don't need anything else. You don't need to put anything else in it. So I actually loved it. I was expecting something a little too strong, and no, it was
Not
perfect.
too
It was smooth, and it was so tasteful. It was perfect.
What's your profession tonight?
My profession? Scientist. I experiment just with this chili sauce.
Oh, okay.
Straight from China.
Straight from China, yes.
Probably the best chili sauce I've ever eaten. It's not too strong.
Yeah.
It's not like way too potent. It's not like a jalapeno or anything like that. I think it's just like the perfect amount of spice.
Perfect balance.
Yeah.
You make sure you put it under a pillow.
Oh, I will.
When you wake up, you have the sauce right away because I think my sauce is not super spicy, so you can just eat right out of the jar. Right? In the morning,
yeah,
wake up, first thing
peanut
eat
butter.
sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like vitamins and everything.
Yeah.
Makes
Make
sense.
sure. Dun, dun.